Time dilation in Unreal isn't that hard to do. You can probably find all kinds of tutorials about it. Here I've created an actor that allows us to just control the time dilation from inside the editor like this. But if we add in an ambient sound and dilate the time, we can see that it isn't actually affected by the time dilation. We're going to make a version that is. We'll need to edit our sound cue and add some pitch modulation. The parameter name that we'll base that on will be dilation, and I'm going to set some values that will map the time dilation onto some reasonable pitch levels. Now we're going to make a new version of the ambient sound actor, so we'll use that as a parent. I'm going to call it dilated sound, and inside there we'll set a default sound cue for the audio component, and then we'll build off the tick event so that every frame it sets a new value for the dilation parameter based on the global time dilation. And it works like this. And we're done. Thanks.